Hello, fellow homebrewers. My name is Evan, and today I'm super excited to present you a series on brewing Mark's coffees. In this series, we hope to offer you a stepping stone into home brewing culture and help you brew our coffee to its full potential. Let's get to the brewing. Hello, fellow homebrewers. Today we're brewing Malabar Blues, a blend of Arabica and Robusta, 50% each. We have notes of chocolate, vanilla, and a very big body to complement it. And this coffee pairs perfect with the Moka pot, a classic Italian brewer. Today, we're going to be brewing with a 1:13 ratio. And in this Moka pot, we're going to measure our coffee. We weigh out the full basket, that in this case is 23 grams, but for every mocha it's different. And we grind it to a medium coarse grind setting of 800 microns, similar to what beach sand would feel like. For this, I'm going to be using our Timor C2 grinder at setting of 15 clicks. These beans look delicious. I'm even gonna have one as a snack. That crunch is a pop. All right, to the grinding. Now that my grinding is done, I'm ready to brew. I have this very fun piece of equipment with me, the Camping Bristow 2. And we are going to be using this as our gas stove today. So before adding the coffee into the basket, I need to fill the bottom of the moka pot with water. And as a reference, we have the safety valve nozzle. And you can see inside, there's also an indicator, and that is the level of water that we need to fill. In this case, it is 300 milliliters. Pro tip for today is to shorten the contact of heat with your coffee. To do that, we preheat the water before adding it to the moka pot so that the time it takes to evaporate and extract is significantly less than if we would use room temperature water. And since metal is a very good thermal conductor, it is going to be getting hot. So you're going to want to be having a cloth by your side to not get burned. All right, now we add the basket back onto the moka pot and add our 23 grams of medium coarse ground coffee, making sure not to spill any. Screw the head onto the base with the cloth that is going to aid this process and not get ourselves burned. Remember to seal it tight, if not the pressure is gonna come out from the side and we will not get any extraction. Our stove is locked and loaded and we're gonna start brewing. Now that the water is already heated to a certain temperature, it's gonna take a much shorter time for the water to reach a boiling point, evaporate, go through the coffee, and then condensate up here at the end of the nozzle. There we go, it's happening. Look at that, pure art. Here we have the moka pot coming strong with a beautiful crema layer getting formed. And you may ask, when do we know when to stop? When we get a very hissing sound, that is our cue to turn down the fire. So if not, you're going to get an over extraction and it's gonna taste bitter. So just keep your hand on the gas. I'm gonna close this for safety reasons. Now you see that hissing, and just really reduce the flame. Get all of the last coffee out. And when there's not much coming out, I'm gonna stop the flame. Perfect. Now we take our cups and serve. Let's give it a little sip. Exactly what a moka pot should taste like. Strong, with a pinch of bitterness. And remember, it is like a home espresso. So that intensity that you get in your espresso, you will get in your moka pot. 1 cup for you, 1 cup for me. Happy brewing, and may the coffee spirit be with you.